Okay, let's go on with IELTS speaking part 2. The topic is describe a new store or shop that has recently opened in your city. So please.
Today, I would like to talk about one such store that opened recently and quickly gained popularity. It is a bakery called Rahat Bakers. It is Rahat Baker is conveniently located near the center of my hometown, Kasur. Despite the area being crowded, the store is located near to the main market. Additionally, the Additionally, there is ample parking available for customers. The store at Rahat Bakers uh, offers different items and wide variety of different products, catering to different tastes and preferences. The store offers traditional items like cakes, muffins, donuts, and pastries, as well as exotic treats like eclairs and croissants. The store uh, the store is very popularity because it has offer an exclusive items like chocolates, sauces, and drinks, and they offer a wide range of different and imported varieties, and they offer a wide range
Okay,
of
thank you so much. Now, the first issue is pronunciation. You pronounced many words incorrectly, so you need to focus your pronunciation. Second thing is your answer is 90% crammed answer. You have given the answer which is given in the book, right? Many things I was just looking at that, and you gave the same answer. So come up with your own ideas,
Yeah.
with your own original ideas. If you're cramming the answer, that will be the reason for low band score. And when you cram an answer, you're not familiar with the word exotic food items. What does it mean? You don't know. Croissants, what are they? You don't know, right? So when you don't know the word, when you speak a word you don't know, you will not be confident about that. So come up with your own vocabulary, your own ideas. It will be better. Okay. Now we move on to speaking part 3. What kinds of shops are popular in your city?
There are many kinds of shops are popular in my cities, and in firstly, the main popular city shop in my hometown is a small boutique shop, and it has wide range of varieties in different clothes, and it is a secondly mall open recently, and this mall is offer a 30% off, and wide
Okay,
range of
so it's grammar, pronunciation, and ideas.
yeah.
You need to brush up your basic English grammar. For that, you can learn tenses. For pronunciation, whenever you do IELTS listening,
Yeah.
copy their accent. That will help you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.